right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am revisiting the neighborhood of Everleigh located in Locust Grove, and I'm taking you back to this neighborhood for two reasons. Number one, there is an amazing incentive package right now for the last 3 homes available in this neighborhood, which we'll get to later. And number two, I've showcased this particular floor plan before on my channel. It's called the Magnolia floor plan, and it's a ranch style floor plan. However, this particular model that is available right now at the time of filming has a highly coveted 2nd story loft and living space with an additional bathroom. That was just too good to pass up, and I really want to showcase it to you guys again. Also, the first version of this home that I showcased on my channel did not have all the completed finishes, and this one does, so it will give you a fuller picture of how the home would look if you were to move in today. About the incentives, they are offering for qualified buyers a 4.99% interest rate, completely fixed for 30 years, and it's for a conventional loan. Now, if you have a FHA loan or if you want to use your VA loan, they have another option for you, which is 3% of the closing costs. And at this home price of $529,900, that will be right under $16,000 in closing costs, ready for you to use however you'd like. So you could use some of that money to pay for your closing costs, or you could use that to buy down your interest rate. This is a way you can take advantage of the slower real estate market and get those builder incentives that they're offering. And not only that, the price is still negotiable. And so I'm pretty sure that, we can work some magic there too. Now we're gonna showcase the home. One of my favorite features of the kitchen is the configuration of the oven and microwave combo. So it's not the double oven that some people like, but it puts the microwave over the oven, which leaves more space over the actual stove top, which is gas, by the way, and that vent hood just makes it look nice and clean, and it's an actual functioning vent hood. It doesn't just blow the smoke back into the home, it takes it up and out of the home, which is very important, and not a lot of new construction builders do that nowadays. This is another feature that I absolutely adore about this builder and this floor plan in particular. It's the heavy duty stained cedar mantle. And I love it because it's different. It has the farmhouse accents, which I personally love, and it's really on trend right now. And it's a gas fireplace, so you can use it without the mess of actual wood, and it's so easy to use. This is the next best feature about this floor plan. It is the optional second story. So up these stairs is a very nice sized loft space, the flex room, there's a full bathroom, and then there is a bedroom. So upstairs could be the perfect teen suite or just a getaway space for you. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more beautiful homes in the Atlanta metro area, hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes featured on my channel, my information is in the description below. Give me a call.